everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and I'm coming to you for our Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is chicken verde sandwiches in the Instapot from Frozen. So my mom took a slow cooker recipe where you use thawed chicken breasts from All Recipes Dinner Spinner app, and then she changed it to being in the Instapot and cooking frozen chicken breasts. So it made it a lot faster process, and it turned out really good. She also changed the recipe a little bit based on the reviews. So when you watch the video, make sure you pay attention to what she added to give this dish more flavor. But it turned out really great, and they used it as nachos. So my family ate it as nachos, which I love because that means they drop chips, and I get to eat them, and I love chips. So they did theirs over nachos instead of on a bun because we just really don't like sandwiches that much. We would much rather have chips. I don't know if your family's like that, but that's how my family is. And I mean, I would eat the bun if they didn't want the bun, but you know, chips are just as good for me. So they decided to do it that way. I guess you could put it over rice or over pasta too if you wanted to, but this was a really good, easy dinner when my mom got home from work. So you can watch the video and see how she changed it. And hopefully you guys give it a try. Also, be sure to like and subscribe. If you're not subscribed to my mom's channel, then you'll see more of my videos. All right, Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hey everyone, like Yoda said, the Monday meal today is chicken verde sandwiches. Ooh. Now we're cooking our chicken breast from frozen in the Instapot instead of for 8 to 10 hours on low in the slow cooker. So, because I don't have that much time and I want to eat before that. So I have 3 frozen chicken breasts here in the bottom of the Instapot. And I have about 10 ounces of pizza sauce. And then I have 1 cup of salsa verde. So I got chicken breasts, 1 cup of salsa verde, 10 ounces of pizza sauce. And then I read the reviews and they said it needed a little bit more flavor. So I also added 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, or like if you have a packet of taco seasoning, that's what some people said they added. So I added that taco seasoning on top. I'm going to put the lid on. And it says if you're cooking the chicken breast from frozen, you need a cup of some sort of liquid in there, so we're good. We have a cup of that salsa verde, and then we also have 10 ounces of pizza sauce, so we got some liquid. So you want to put it on sealing, and you're going to do manual. And actually, you only need to do it for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes, manual pressure cook. Make sure you have the knob on sealing. And we're going to cook them from frozen. All right, this is the finished product. So let me tell you what happened. I had the Instapot on 10 minutes, and then you're supposed to natural release it for another 10 minutes, and then quick release the rest of it. So that's what I did. And then you add a half a cup of sour cream. So I don't have any vegan sour cream, so I'm using dairy-free coconut milk yogurt. And unsweetened. You don't want to flavor or anything to it. So I use that as my sour cream. And so that's in here. So half a cup of that. I shredded the chicken, stirred it up, and that's it. This is your finished product, chicken verde sandwiches. We're actually going to have ours as like nachos on chips, but you could put it over rice. You could put it on pasta. It tastes really good. So whatever medium you'd like to serve it on or over, that's up to you. But this is what it looks like. Hope you guys have a great Monday.